This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Debug the text. This scene is supposed to draw a cartoon. Run. Oh, okay. But it has a bug. Yes, it does. The image shows on the screen. The code doesn't run at all. And there's an error message. Yes, okay. So what they expect is for this to show, the code doesn't run at all, there's an error. Run the code, see the error. Yep, what's it say? Syntax, unexpected token at line 21. Look for clues. Once you find the bug, fix it. What clues helped you fix it? All right, so right here it says line 21. So let's go down there. Uh-oh, wait a minute. There's not even a line 21. That's interesting. So something's going on here. Line 21, token 7. What's going on? Well, let's look at the other text. What has wheels and flies, but is not? Look at how all this is blue. Why would this text be blue and this is not? So if you look closely, all of this is in quotes, right? So for text is called a string, like this is. It's not a variable name or anything like that. It is just a collection of characters and words. It is a string. So we need quotes around it to be able to put it to the screen. Let's see. Ta-da! Ah, what a great joke. So be careful with quotes because we need it for strings. And again, this would be a string. Only like a variable name you wouldn't need quotes for. Onward.